a little bit of background. So we have, I've treated people for their knees, back, migraines, shoulder, and several other areas. And just to give one example here, we have somebody that had a knee issue where she was in a straight brace when I first met her, and she was walking with a straight brace, and she was doing that for 3 months. That was what the recommendation was for at the time. And so she was pretty uncomfortable. She had been told that there was nothing that showed up on an MRI, even though she had significant pain. She's been to the emergency room, and very frustrated. But I could find, with this technology, even though MRI couldn't pick anything up, I was able to find multiple spots with this technology of where her issue is. And she's now able to walk better and go up and down the stairs more easily, and is on her way to a much more comfortable life, and not using the brace anymore, and not using ice every day and ibuprofen.